Oh yeah.
Yeah, that looks so sick. Music is amazing this morning. Look at the Safari Queen. We are headed into Animal Kingdom. I will show you when we're a little bit closer so you can see the little sign. But the music is great and the vibes are good. And we're a little bit later to this park just based on bus schedule, but honestly not too worried about it. Look! Okay, I'm obsessed. I actually have chills this morning coming here. I don't know why. I do. I just got like a chill. The music and the vibes.
The vibes are really good.
Excited.
I like it.
Good vibes.
Good vibes today.
Very immersive.
All right, first ride for Pooh and for the entire group today is going to be Rite of Passage. Pretty solid wait so far, right?
Yeah.
We're checking further wait times.
20.
We're seeing 20 on
Navi
Navi
River
River,
so
straight there after that.
Straight there. Should we? We are done with Avatar Land, at least ride-wise, right?
Yep.
We finished both this morning using our early entry. We waited probably 45, do you think, for Rite of Passage? Probably 45-ish or a little more. It was a longer wait, but we waited probably 20 for Navi River.
Yep.
Navi River ride or whatever. That one was very enjoyable. The first one, at least for me, was not, but I think the boys all liked the Rite of Passage, so.
If you're good with like simulators, 3D stuff, you'll like it. If you aren't, you may not enjoy it.
Yeah, it wasn't for me.
Yeah.
But we are now headed to get some breakfast, and I'll share, but it looks like sounds like a show's going on. Let's take a peek. See what's going on. The show right there, right on the water. How amazing. And I think that's Nomad Lounge, which we eventually will go later. How cool. How cool. Shows everywhere.
That would be a really fun job.
That'd be a fun job.
Yeah, you want that job?
Float around drumming all day. Maybe
Raw
has
little
one.
honey
Cappuccino,
pistachio
espresso, or
croissant.
latte.
And
With rum,
overnight
or white
oats
chocolate.
for Brendan. And more water, because you always need more water, huh?
Always.
Wait, what's this place called? That we're just went to? Kuspir?
Fury?
Kusafiri. And let's try this bad boy. Okay, croissant is very average. It tastes like a Costco croissant, and the toppings kind of have no flavor. But Brendan's overnight oats are actually quite delicious. Yeah, I think it's a good breakfast choice.
No.
Tastes good. Not too sweet.
Not too sweet, filling, and it's got nice crunchy granola.
Good.
It's tough to be a bug.
One more time for the people in the back.
It's tough to be a bug.
We are walking onto that 10-minute wait. We got some breakfast, got some water, feeling better. And we do have a Yak Yeti reservation at 11:45, which is exciting for all involved. I really need the ahi tuna nachos. But fun fact, if you ever like want a reservation, but you know they're all booked up, because I checked for a long time trying to get us a Yak Yeti reservation because I missed the first window. Check day of, check the morning up, because I think they hold some reservations that you can pick up day of. So check day of, because we made this one literally this morning while we were in line for rite of passage to go to Yak Yeti. So I'm excited. I just need to keep drinking my water because it is definitely a hot day, but there's water right here, so should be fun. Yes.
Should be good. Should be good.
Thank you, babe. Thank you for the feedback.
Yeah.
Just got seated at Yak Yeti. Yay. I'm ready for these. Whoa. I'm ready for these, specifically the ahi tuna nachos. That's what I'm after. We'll see what this man cooks up. But he really cares about the specialty drinks, so we'll see which one he chooses. Lyndon, there's other good things. I'm not kidding. Stop it. I'm B-rolling. I'm B-rolling. B-roll. I love that line. Swing for Florida. I love that line.
I think I might be more interested.
Gotta check in because I got my rum and frozen Coke of the day. Very important step. And I think I've done it every park day so far. It just rejuvenates you, you know? It keeps you going. We ate at Yak Yeti. Brendan, would you like to hold this for a sec? Give some thoughts on Yak Yeti?
Yak Yeti. Oh, brain freeze. I got it back.
You have a bad brain freeze. Oh, Brendan.
It's been a while since I've got brain freeze.
Ready to share?
Yep.
Just don't block your speaker.
Yak Yeti.
Oh,
Decent. It's a fun atmosphere. It's a nice place to sit down and cool down. Not spectacular food though. Not super impressed with anything. Even the poke nachos, which we heard good things about, I would say were mid.
Yeah.
Very mid. So those are my thoughts. Oh.
Flip them around. Here we come a-wandering, and we care to see lots of elephants.
They're kind of like a cleanup crew in the water. Look to your left in the distance in the water, you're going to see a hippo. Hippos are herbivores, meaning they eat grass. They do have a unique patchwork coat that's unique to each one, kind of like how your fingerprints are unique to each of you. Their tongues are going to be purplish black to prevent sunburn from eating hot savanna leaves. Now you will often see them using bird tusks. This egg over at Rafiki's Planet Watch. Now coming up on our left, you're going to see our next animal, and it's going to be the back against that tree line. It's Gonna be a cheetah. Now cheetahs.
What is he telling the other meerkats?
Tell them to stay away.
People behind me. This is Grace, our 4-year-old. I'd like to ask you to show the next Oh. It's so cute.
You guys like the gorilla walk, gorilla trail?
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
We love the river.
Walking into DinoLand. Walking on to Dinosaur. Alright, we just got off Dino. I got another water, you guys. When it is this hot in the park, you gotta drink your water. Believe you me. But they went on Cali River Rapids. And so I'm just sitting waiting at Everest. I think we're gonna do it next, but it builds a lot of anticipation watching people go on it, for sure. Here we go, watch this. Looks very fun and also very scary, both. It's been very nice. The vibes are really good. Low wait times pretty much everywhere except Pandora Land. Pandora, whatever. But we did those early, so I'm glad we got those out of the way. But I really like this park as far as like feeling relaxed. It's a very relaxing park. It's just hot today, so I'm definitely tired. Oh my gosh. It is really fun to watch people go on this ride. But yes, I'm feeling very lucky, blessed to be here. It's been a lot of fun to be here with my best friends. So we did get on the wait list for Nomad's Lounge, so I'll share that. I'm pretty excited to go there because I've heard great things about the churros and the bread service. And then we'll get some drinks. And I think then we'll be pretty much done with every ride in the park. And I think at that point, we might consider park hopping over to Magic Kingdom for the evening, so we can watch the fireworks. So I think that is our current plan. You ready? How was the rapids?
It's good. There's only one big drop, but
Only one big drop, but it's a big drop.
I would say
What
it's
drop?
decent size, but Lennon got it.
I say going into it, I was thinking I don't really want to get soaked. Alas, I got the most of it.
Yeah,
The one that got soaked.
that's the luck. They said that? Yeah. Wait, why?
I said it.
Oh, you said it,
I said God damn
Landon.
it. As soon as I saw the wave
We're
coming
in
over.
a Disney park.
I couldn't help it.
Park language only.
Yeah, I can't help it. It just escaped.
I loved it. I will go again. I wish I was in Lyndon's spot. Rough
We'll
call.
switch spots
Next
this time.
time, if we get one to ourselves, we're gonna unbuckle.
Yeah.
and get there.
You thought wrong.
Did you enjoy that?
Oh yeah, that's good.
Is it good? Is it that type of good?
Oh man,
I don't know if that looked good, but it is good.
It's good.
I think it's that kind of good.
I guess I should do this one first. Wait, what are my flavors?
Vanilla cream and strawberry.
Strawberry guava.
Okay. Here you go. Just me alone? It's a good churro.
Can I try the other side?
Oh. Sorry to double dip, folks.
You're fine.
That one is really, really good.
Yeah. I thought it might be.
Just finished up at Nomad's Lounge. Something that we should really do everywhere, but that they do in Disney is if you're not done with your drink, even if it's alcoholic, you get a to-go cup and you get to take it with you and go for a little walkie with it. It's amazing. It's a 10 out of 10. Also, Nomad's Lounge is a must. Must. Putting it on the like top 10. What are we getting ready for?
Lion King.
Jacob's gonna put on his Spirit jersey right now for the show. You guys ready?
Oh yeah.
So ready. So ready.
Hi, everybody. Hey, Pongu Pongu. Hey, look, everyone. It's the Lion King. Welcome, Simba. You're right on time. Oh, prepare the windings. The circle of
Lyndon, you hurt me. That's not nice. What is he? He cut Brendan now. Lyndon cut you.
Alright. I think I'll go by myself on this because I think it's a two.
We are trying on the Spirit jerseys. Show us the back. Thank you for.
Hold it up. That probably makes it harder.
Trying on the Spirit jersey. Trying on the Spirit jersey.
Wow, really
Trying
ripping.
on the Spirit jersey.
Like that.
Is that a small?
It looks
Yeah.
good.
Wait, you said it's a small?
Yeah.
Look at this. So cool.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There
And
is.
next
Look.
the thing about these, I don't know, they're like smaller on the bottom. I don't know.
Cozy vibe. I think
Yeah. Yeah.
So beautiful. Just munching on a cob of corn. Corn cob?
I like just munching on the top though.
Just munching on a cob and having a spectacular view while doing it. So we're headed into Pandora for our last treat of the night. I think it's gonna be a rum blossom from Pongu Pongu. I'm pretty excited about it. And then we will be running to Magic Kingdom to catch the fireworks show we didn't get to on Monday because it was a party day. So here we go. Holy moly, that's loud. But yeah, we should be able to catch the fireworks tonight after this. There they are. Ooh, that's fun.
There's the.
Just a little bit of extra on that one. Wow, those look yummy.
They look good.
Yep.
Bye, Animal Kingdom. We'll see you again soon. And we have finally made it to the Magic Kingdom, where all the magic happens.
That's right.
Through these doors, through this tunnel, we'll be transported into the most magical place on earth. Done. She's gorgeous. She's beautiful.
She's all decked out.
We have nailed down a spot in Magic. Got the popcorn. Got the chips, I guess. Chips that go with the corn dogs. And boys, what do you have there?
Spicy chicken waffle.
Yep. Had to come back for more. Happy boys. Waiting for the fireworks. Woo!
Like the back of this is like.
We have chosen a spot further from the castle, but I think it'll be easier to get out. The boys also said it was super crowded closer, so this should be the best spot, hopefully.
Relax, Olivia, just relax.
I like that one.
more time.
That was
It's
cool.
good.
That was
like
cool.
that one? And go.
Good night, vlog. See you tomorrow.
Anything else?
Oh, those are my lines.
Jacob, can you share your lines?
Nice.
See you tomorrow in the AM. Night. How sweet.